Chapter 6. Customer Service in Stressful Situations.
Welcome to this chapter on customer service in stressful situations. In this scenario, we will demonstrate how a check-in officer can professionally and calmly handle a difficult situation with a passenger experiencing travel stress.
This is unbelievable. My flight is being delayed and now I'm going to miss my connection. What am I supposed to do now?
I understand how frustrating this must be for you, sir. Let me check what I can do to assist you. I see that your flight has been delayed due to weather conditions. I assure you we are doing everything possible to get you to your destination as quickly as we can.
But I have an important meeting. I can't afford to be late.
I completely understand your concerns, sir. Let's work together to find a solution. I'm checking for alternative flights that could still get you to your destination on time. In the meantime, I can offer you a meal voucher while we sort this out. Good news! There's another flight departing an hour later that will still get you there with minimal delay. Would you like me to rebook you on that flight?
Yes, please. That would be a big help.
I've taken care of that for you. Here's your new boarding pass, and I've also included a voucher for refreshments while you wait. Again, I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience, and we appreciate your patience.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
You're very welcome. If there's anything else I can assist you with, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a safe flight!
As we've just heard, handling stressful situations requires staying calm, listening actively, and offering clear solutions. Let's go over some key takeaways. Apologize for the inconvenience. Show empathy and reassure the passenger. Actively look for solutions. Maintain professionalism at all times.